the Hope class teacher. I'm so honored to know you as my class sponsors. I sincerely appreciate you for sharing in our needs for a class like this. And I assure you, my students will have a brighter future tomorrow.
You can't imagine the impact you've made in the lives of these children. We appreciate every single donation that you've made towards this class construction. The funds we received from you enabled us to reach this point. As you can see, these classes need the doors, need windows, they need to make the floor. If you would consider make another donation towards purchasing the doors, towards making the floor, that would be awesome. We once again appreciate you for your support and your help. We appreciate you for the lives you are changing in Uganda.
And we are here to raise the future leaders of this world.
We love you, and that's wonderful.